Hello. Good evening. Hi. Can you hear me? Hello. Hi. My name is Teacher Bam. How about you? What is your name? Hi.
My name is Bảo Nhi. Câu hỏi con tên gì?
What
Câu
is
hỏi
your
có tên gì?
What is your name, my dear? Your name is
Bảo. Nói to lên, con nói to lên.
Con tên là Hằng Nghĩa Bảo Nhi.
Okay. I will translate. Teacher will translate. Okay. Here. Okay. What is your name? Hi. Okay, you can say
Bà
my
Nhi ạ.
name.
My name.
My
Nói đi.
name is
My name is Bảo Nhi.
Bounty. Yeah.
Yes.
Wow, nice to meet
Yes.
you. Do you have an English name? Do you have an English name?
Bạn có biết tiếng Anh không? No.
Oh, Bounty. Okay, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Mommy.
Yeah.
Hello, good evening. Nice
Yeah.
to meet you and Mommy.
Nice to meet you, teacher.
Nice to meet you too. Okay, how old are you?
Họ
How old
3 tuổi.
are
I'm
you?
nói đi.
I'm
5 years old. I'm
I'm
5
five
years old.
years
Year
old.
old.
Yes, I say I am
Nói đi.
5 years old. Again,
Yes.
can you say I
Đọc đi. Đọc theo cô. I
I am
nói to đi.
5
Five
5
five
years
year
years old. I am 5 years old.
đọc lại đi.
Yay! You are 5 years old, my dear. That's cute and sweet.
Yeah.
Okay, nice to meet you, my dear.
Bạn là
Okay, so
phải nói
let
to.
okay, let us continue to our lesson.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, are you ready? Are
Yes.
you ready?
Cô hỏi con đã sẵn sàng chưa? Yes.
Yes? Yes, very good. Okay, let's go to our lesson. Okay, here we go. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, we will learn about letters. Okay, so let us listen.
Cô bảo con nghe cô đọc.
Apple, apple,
Đọc đi.
Apple.
apple,
Yes, again.
Đọc
apple,
to lên.
apple, apple,
Apple,
apple,
apple. Again.
To lên.
apple, 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 apple,
Yay, very good. Apple, apple. Teacher has also apple, apple. Yay. Again, apple,
apple,
apple. Okay. Yes, very good. Okay, so here we go. Let's listen again. Okay?
Hi, I'm an angry apple.
ah, ah. This is the ah sound. This is the letter A. Ah, ah. Angry apple.
Angry apple.
Okay. So, this is the letter A.
Đọc đi.
E.
Ây.
A.
A.
Ây. Đọc to lên.
A.
A.
Yes, very good. This is an apple.
Đọc đi.
Apple.
Apple.
Yay! This letter A sounds as ah, ah, ah,
Đọc trước. Bắt trước đọc đi.
ah, ah, ah. Okay, letter A and sounds like ah, ah. Okay, what is this again, my dear? Apple,
Apple.
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 Yay, apple. How about this one? Letter A.
Đọc theo đi. Ây.
A.
A sounds like ah, ah.
To lên.
Ah. Can you say it? Ah, ah. Okay, okay. Apple
Đọc to lên.
and sounds like ah. Okay, very good, my dear. Teacher will give you an ice cream. Yum, 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 yum.
Okay.
Okay. Do you like ice cream? Okay, here we go.
Phải đọc to lên thì cô mới nghe được.
Here we go.
Cô là nước ngoài không phải người Việt, hiểu không? Đọc to lên.
Do you like
Bạn có thích kem không?
sorry.
Bạn
Bạn
thích
có
kem
thích
không?
kem không?
Do you like
Yes.
ice cream? Yes.
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 Yes. Yum yum. Yum yum. Ice cream for my dear Bonnie. Yay! Okay, let's go to the next slide. Here we go. Okay.
Thì cô mới nghe được.
Đó.
Ừ. Phải đọc to lên.
Here. Okay, let's listen again.
Yes.
What's the
Yes.
beginning sound?
A.
What letter is this?
Đọc đi.
A.
Yes. Again.
What's the beginning sound?
What's the beginning sound? Ah. Ah.
À.
Yes, my dear. Ah. Ah. Okay. And next, what's the letter here? Let's.
A.
A.
What
Oh.
letter is this?
A.
Hiểu không?
Yes.
A.
Ah. Letter A.
E.
Yes, very good, my dear. Letter A. Now let's go to another one.
A.
Letter A. Okay, let's. Yes, very good, my dear. Letter A. Now let's listen again.
Axe. Axe.
Axe. Axe.
Okay, what is this?
Đọc lại đi.
Axe. Axe.
Yes, again, my dear. Axe.
Đọc to lên.
Axe.
Axe.
Okay, it starts with letter A.
Đọc to lên.
Axe.
A.
Yes, A. Okay, very good. This is how it spells. Axe. Axe.
Đọc to lên.
Ừ.
Đọc lại đi.
A.
Yes, very good. Letter A. Okay, another point for my dear. I will give you a. What is this?
Melon.
Melon. Yay! Melon for my dear Balmy. Yay!
Yeah.
Okay. Axe. Axe. This is axe. Okay, let's go to the next slide.
Đọc to lên thì cô mới nghe được.
Okay, another one. Let's listen again.
Công kiến.
Kiến.
Ant. Ant.
Ant.
N.
Ant. S. S.
Again, let's listen again.
Rồi như vậy. S.
Ant. Ant. Ant.
Yeah, very good. Ant. Ant. Okay, this is how it spells. Ant. Ant.
Đọc to.
Ant.
Ant.
Ừ. Đọc đi. I and.
I. S.
And.
Ant.
S.
Yes. Ant.
Cô đọc sớm cô ấy. And.
Ant.
Yes, very good, my dear. Ant. Okay, nice
Yeah.
one. Teacher will give you again a. Here. What is this?
Dâu ấy.
Strawberry. Yes, yum yum. Yum yum.
Yeah.
Yum yum, strawberry. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let's listen again.
Con gì vậy?
Con cá sấu.
Alligator. Alligator.
Alligator. Alligator.
Đọc lại.
Okay, again.
Alligator. Alligator.
Đọc đi.
Alligator. 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 Alligator.
Okay, now. Yes, my dear. Alligator. Alligator. This is how alligator.
Alligator.
Alligator. Alligator. Alligator.
Đọc lại đi.
Can you try it again?
Alligator.
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 Okay. Alligator. Alligator.
Alligator.
Alligator.
Okay, very good, my dear. Again, alligator. Very good. Okay, next slide. Here we go. Okay, my dear, can you write letter A? Okay, let's try. Teacher will try first. Okay. A, 1, 2, 3. Okay, can you try, my dear? Mommy will assist you.
Viết chữ A đi.
Okay, mommy.
Yes.
Yes.
Viết đi chữ
Okay.
A của cô đi.
Okay, excuse. Okay, thank you, mommy. Letter A. 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 Yay! That's a big A. Okay, very good. Very good, my
viết đi nào.
dear. Okay, now.
Chữ A
Yes. That's a baby
chữ A
A.
đi. Yes.
Another one.
Yes.
Yes, baby A, small A. Okay, one more time. Okay, very good. Baby A.
A mà viết
And
viết.
okay, teacher will try here. Okay, and 2. Okay. Okay, my dear Bonnie will try again. Mommy, please.
Yes.
Please write again. 1, 2.
Nào viết lại đi. Viết chữ A bình thường thôi.
Yay! Thank you. Very good. Baby A. 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 Okay. Here's another one for you, my dear. Teacher will give you A. Here. A cake. Chocolate cake. Yum, yum. Yay! Chocolate cake. Here. A cake. Yum, yum. Okay, very good. Let's go to the next slide. Here we go. Okay, let's listen again. And then we will write A if it's correct or no if it's not. Okay, let's listen
Yeah.
again. Okay, let's listen first.
1,
Ant.
1.
Ant.
Yes. And
2,
And yes, the ant starts with letter A. Okay.
Yes.
yes.
Yes. So my dear, can you write letter A?
Really?
Can you write here? Letter A. Ant. Ant. Mommy, can you write? Can you assist my dear Bonnie? Write letter. Yay! Very good. Ant. Ant. Yay! Okay, let's listen again for number 2.
bear, bear,
3,
apple, apple,
Okay, let's go back.
3,
bear, bear,
Okay, it says bear. Bear. Is it letter A or no? Here, letter A or no? No? Bear. No A. Okay, so it's X. Okay, let's write X.
This.
S.
X.
S.
Okay, Mommy, can you write letter X here? X. Okay, teacher will assist you. Okay, let's write here X. X. Okay, it's not A. Yay, very good. Okay, number 3. Let's listen again for number 3. Here we go. Okay, hold on, please.
3,
apple, apple,
Apple.
Yes, apple. Apple. So it's an A. Apple. Apple. Okay, number 4. Let's listen again.
4,
alligator, alligator,
Okay, number 4. Is it an A? Or no? Alligator. Alligator. Is it an A? Or no? Alligator.
Alligator.
Okay, it's an A. Alligator. Alligator. Okay. Here we go. Okay, let's try this, Mommy. Okay, let's try one more time. Here we go. Okay. Okay. Alligator. Alligator. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Alligator. So it's an A. Alligator. Okay, let's go back to the slide. Okay, so this is An A. Alligator. Okay. Let's listen again. Number 5.
Béo.
S.
Okay, number 5.
5.
cup, cup,
Okay. Cup, cup, cup. Does it start with letter A or no?
No.
No.
Yes, very good. So it's an X. Yay! Good job. Nice one, my dear. Nice. Nice one. Yay! Nice one. Good job. Good job, my dear. Okay. Number 6. Let's listen to number 6.
6.
axe, axe,
S.
Axe. Axe.
S.
S.
Is it an A? Yes, it's an A. Very good. Axe. Axe. Okay. Very good, my dear. So we learned about letter A. And it sounds as Okay. Now, okay, so you did a good job, my dear. You are 5 years old, but you can follow instructions and you can follow the sound of the letter. Okay? So, teacher will give you your good points. Here we go. Okay. Your good points. Hold on for a minute. Okay. You are good. You are good in listening. Yes, you are good in listening. Also, you are attentive. Okay, my dear, you are good in listening and you are attentive. Okay, let's translate this one.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Let's go back to the translation. Okay, here we go. You are good in listening.
Bạn có khả năng lắng nghe tốt.
Yay! Very good. And you are attentive.
Bạn lắng nghe rất tốt. Bạn rất chú ý.
Yes, you are attentive. That's a good job, my dear. And also, you follow the instructions. Very good.
Bạn lắng nghe rất tốt. Bạn chú ý lắng nghe. Bạn làm theo hướng dẫn. Rất tốt.
Okay. Now tonight you did a good job, my dear. Nice one. And teacher is happy to meet you. Teacher is happy to meet you.
Nice to meet you, teacher.
Cô giáo rất vui được gặp bạn.
Yes, nice to meet you too, my dear. So,
Nice to meet you,
teacher
Nice
hopes,
meet
teacher
you.
hopes. Yes,
Teacher.
nice to meet you. Teacher hopes to meet you next time.
Yes.
Giáo hy vọng sẽ gặp lại các em lần sau.
Okay. So, see you in our next class.
Em đi đâu?
See you in our next class.
Yes.
Yes.
See you.
See you in our next class. Okay? Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, my dear. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Mommy. Good night.
Good night, teacher.
Good
Bye, teacher.
night. Bye-bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye-bye.